today we're going to show you something that's pretty cool on your Porsche Cayenne Diesel. Hey, Kurt Curtis coming at you from the Full Octane Garage, and today we're going to have a tech tip for the Porsche Cayenne Diesel. As you've seen in my previous videos, I noticed when I changed the oil that there is no physical dipstick to check the oil level. You have to actually check it from an electronic gauge on your dashboard. Something that's always troubled me a little bit about this is that I can't pull the dipstick and actually see what my oil looks like and actually see that there's actually some on the dipstick. So in my research, I found that this motor, this 3.liter 6-cylinder diesel is shared with the Volkswagen Touareg. So the Volkswagen Touareg actually has a dipstick. And when they put this into the Porsche Cayenne, you will also notice that there is the dipstick tube still on the motor with a rubber plug in it. The good news is you can go onto Amazon and buy one of these, and I'll have the parts numbers listed below. And all you have to do is take the plastic cover, which I'll show you off the top of the motor, pull the rubber plug and slide your dipstick in, and you too will be able to check your oil. You'll be able to see your oil. You can taste it if you want, but I'm not going to do that because it looks pretty black when it's diesel. So anyways, let's get right to it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to lift the plastic cover off, and it just snaps up with 4 tabs. And you're going to notice here that there's this rubber plug on the dipstick tube, and you should just be able to grab a pair of pliers on it and pull it out, and that's what it will look like. You'll be able to throw it aside because you won't need it any longer. Now you take your dipstick and you go ahead and slide it in, and it should slide all the way down. And there, your dipstick is now installed. You can pull it out, and lo and behold, look, we have oil. So we hope that you've gotten a little bit out of this tech tip. It will actually give you a little better peace of mind that your oil is actually on the dipstick if you're one of those people like me that doesn't always trust the electronic gauge. It also gives you a nice secondary chance in the event that you do get an oil alert. You can actually go and confirm that your oil gauge is reading accurately. Okay, now that we've got the dipstick installed, we're going to reapply the engine cover. The engine cover is going to cover up the dipstick, so if you do want to manually check your oil in the Porsche Cayenne Diesel, you are going to have to lift your engine cover off. So for now, we're going to go ahead and snap this back on. Pretty easy, just kind of align it on your oil filler, and you'll feel the places that it needs to go into, and you'll feel it snap down, and that's it, you're done. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Come back for more. We have a lot more coming for you on the Porsche Cayenne Diesel, and thanks for being with us.